The first thing you need to do is region setting on your PC. So you can go to your PC, search for region, click region setting. You make sure your regional format is English UK. You can choose English UK so that your currency, your date in the SQL will be correct. And you click additional date, time and regional setting. You click this. You make sure your short date is day, month, year, and click OK. After done, you can go to SQL account. Open SQL account, create your sample data, click this, create your sample database, you click create sample database, you key in your company name, for example, demo company, and then click OK. System will create a sample database for you. After you have done, you can log in SQL account. You wait for this and then click demo company. The username is admin and also the password is admin in capital letter. You just click log on. The first thing you will do in your SQL is set up the financial start period and system conversion date. So to set up, you can go to Tools, click Option. Under General Ledger, you can click General Ledger. You can see the financial start period and system conversion date. Financial start period is your company start date and system conversion date is first time you're using the SQL. So I key in January date for the sample data. After you have done, you can click OK. SST and GST part, click SST and GST part, click Start SST now, choose the country, Malaysia, click Next, put in SST effective date, I key in this, click Next, sales tag number and service tag number, I just key in, for example, sales tag number, this. And after done, you can click Next. You do not change anything, this. You just click Next. If you trading company, you just choose sales tax. If you service company, you just click service tax, and then I choose sales tax and then click finish. And system will prompt this error. You just click OK. You must re-log in for this. Log in. So after you log in, you come to SST GST part, you click this and able to see this list of SST drop down here. set up the company profile. So you come to File, click Company Profile. So this is logo. You just right click and then click Load. You can choose your company logo. I choose this, demo company. And then the company name, key in the company name, key in the remark, company registration number, for example 123, and sales tag number. System will auto show the sales tag number. From just now I key in the sales tag number. Come to general part, key in attention, for example, and then key in address. Key in city. You can key in state, for example, Selangor. Postcode, and then your phone number. You also key in email. And then come to report header, click report header, click set report header. So system will capture all this info from the general part that you key in just now. You can edit, you just click edit. For example, you want demo company change to blue color, you just click blue color, and then demo company change to blue color. After you have done, you just save it, click yes. And then when you preview all the document, you will see the report header with the logo company. Remember to save after you have done. Maintain account, which is the fixed asset. Come to GL, click GL, click maintain account. So now you can see sample data has a default account code here. And then create non-current asset. For example, you click non-current asset, you click new. Key in the GL code. For example, this 200 600, you can key in 200 700. Description, for example, I key in machinery, and then click OK. So the machinery is here. So create accumulated depreciation for machinery. You click here, click new, key in the GL code, description, accumulated for machinery, and then click here. So accumulated depreciation machinery, it's here. Next, you can also create current asset. For example, cash at bank. you would like to create, for example, CIMB Bank, you just click Cash at Bank and click New, GL code 310007, description CIMB. Make sure the special account type you tick bank account and then click OK. So CIMB Bank will show here. You can also create current liabilities or non-current liabilities or sales or sale adjustment or expenses. Maintain master data, which is your customer and supplier. You come to customer, click customer, click maintain customer, create new customer, you can click new, key in customer company name, for example ABC company, control account, this is set at maintain account, so the code is customer code will auto running, so do not key in. This A, follow the first digit of your company name. This is F, so the code follow A. Come to general part, click general, key in branch name, address, attention, mobile number and email. So branch name is billing, key in address, for example, I key in and then attention, for example, mobile number and also email. Next area, you click area and then you want key in new area, you just click new button and then for example club, so club, and then you click save, you close it and you can choose club. And then the agent, you click agent, you click new agent, which is your salesman, you can create. For example, I create office and description also same. And then you can click save, you close it, you can choose office. And next you can click the currency, choose the currency, I choose the ringgit Malaysia for the currency. For the credit terms, you have 30 days, 45 days, 60 days and cash on delivery. When you want to create a new terms, you just click new button and then key in the code, for example 90 days, description also 90 days, and then you change the day is 90 day and then just click save. So you can choose the credit terms 90 days. Statement is for customer statement, you can click If you choose forward, it is a lump sum value when you preview the report. If you choose the open item, will list every single details. So I choose open item. And edging on, you can choose invoice date. Come to credit controls, you can click credit controls. You can set the credit limit and overdue limit for this customer. What is the credit limit and what is the overdue limit? Comes to note, you can click note. You can see from here status is active. You can choose inactive also. And then company registration number. For now, you do not ask your customer registration number. You just search. System will automatically key in the company registration number. And next, for the bank account, you click bank account. This is regarding a customer refund. So if you are interested in this module, this is additional module, so you can find your agent to know more about this module. So if you done for all this, you just click save. Maintain supplier, you can click supplier, you click maintain supplier, and then you create new supplier. Key in the company supplier name, key in the address, attention, mobile number, and also email. For example, you key in supplier name. For example, supplier company. And then the address. For example, I key in number 3. And also the attention, Mr. Low, and mobile number. And also the email. And then the area, you can create new area. For example, I create KL, and then click save. You can choose KL, and then you choose the agent. I choose this, and then the currency, credit terms, credit limit, and then statement, and aging on. You can choose credit terms, credit limit. I choose the statement is open item, and then click save. And then the next step is note. You can click note. It is the same things as we mentioned for customer, and also the tax and bank account. It is also regarding to the supplier payment. So you can contact your agent to know more about this module. And then if you have done, you just click on the save button.